Right, today's vlog will not be a proper vlog. I will be just recording what I'm doing at home, like bits and pieces, because it's Ramadan and I'm avoiding going outside. I'll just show you what I am cooking today, just quickly for iftari. If there is enough time, I'll show you some other things which I found while cleaning Cam's room. I mean, when he was a small child, like 5-6 years old, he used to like eating Kinder chocolate, you know, the egg chocolate. He used to like eat that, and then he used to collect the toys from it, and especially his concentration was on cars. So I found some cars he's been collecting when he was 6 or 7. If there's enough time, I'll show you. Oh my god, it's getting flooded. You know what? One good advantage of this weather is that we are fasting, so it's good for us that it's not too hot. Otherwise, in Middle East, in Asia, the temperature is like 40 centigrade. It's too hot. It's so much exhausted there. People just get so much thirsty. We are blessed here. We get this cold weather here, and this is advantage for us, which helps us fasting, because the fasting is very long nowadays. It is like 18 to 19 hours. So I think this is one positive thing for us. If it keeps raining, then yeah, why not? Thumbs up. Right, I need to go and do some cooking for iftari, so I'll show you what I'm doing. It will be only few things, quick few things, not a very long list. Right, I'm gonna make 2 things quick and fast way. So let's go and make it now. What you need is dahi bada mix, and I'm gonna do it with my way. Everybody have different ways of cooking it, and everybody's right. It's just the taste, the flavor of everybody's hand is different. So I'll show you how I make it. I need 1 pack of this. I need yogurt as per the quantity, and I need some of milk, a little bit of sugar. I'll show you how to add it. Put some water and mix it. It should be this way. Not very thick, not very. I hope you can see it. It's ready. Well, by the time the pan is getting hot, we'll put the yogurt in this and some sugar. So I'm gonna put the sugar first. Put a little bit of milk. Our pan is hot. Right, this is the quantity in 1 packet. So it's okay for 2 servings because it's only me and my husband at home. So this is enough for both of us. So I have left them in the water for 5 minutes. So I need to take them out and put them in the yogurt. fruit chaat masala, Sean dahi bada, bit of anardana for a mint taste. So let's do it now. This is ready to eat. I can't wait. I have to wait till 9:30 and this is how it will look like. Enjoy eating it. The second part is I'm gonna make crumble. To make this one, this is very quick and fast method of making this one. It is very delicious. This is one of my favorites. To make this one packet, you need a milk of half liter. Here you go, the milk. Right, always make sure that you get a design bowl. Okay, always make sure there is a design in the bowl, because what is going to happen is when you tip it over on a plate, when you tip it upside down on a plate, this design will be at the top of your custard. Indeed. It's all done. We're gonna leave it here for 10 minutes because it is hot, and after 10-15 minutes put it in the fridge, and for 2-3 hours and it's ready to eat. I will try to show you when I tip it over, because this design which I have chosen for this one should be designed on that thingy. Let's tip it over. This is how it should look like. Okay, we are here now, and let me show you the cause I was talking to you about. Cam's cause, which he got from egg chocolates. One more thing I found in his toys. This looks like legit gun. This is the original gun. Nah, just joking. It is very heavy. I mean, it looks like a real gun. It looks like a real gun. Yeah. Cam bought it from Disneyland when we went to France, like before 8 years. So yeah. I mean, he just likes to collect, you know, unique things. I don't know, his interest was completely different since he was a child. Look at it, there is a pirate face carved here on it. Yep. It's a beautiful shape on it. Yeah, so these are some toys which I found in his room while cleaning it. So I'm gonna wrap up my vlog here. and hope you have enjoyed watching my today's clip. There was nothing special in it, but I was just cooking for our iftar for Ramadan. So this is the things which we prepare for our iftari. I mean, we can't eat much, you know, after iftari. It's just little bit things, and then in the morning 3:30 a.m. we have little bit more food because the time is not, there's not enough gap between both meals. So yeah, hope everybody is whoever is fasting, their health is well and good, and I hope all our Ramadans will be accepted by Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. And yeah, you take care of yourself. Till my next clip, hope to see you soon. Bye.